The Sneezing Dragon. Dizzle was the tiniest dragon in the land, but with the biggest sneezes. Every time he went, achoo! Poof! Something caught fire. He sneezed on his toast, burnt, sneezed near trees, up in flames. Villagers were terrified. Hide your hats! Dizzle's coming! Then came Lily, a clever little girl who noticed something strange. Dizzle only sneezed around flowers. He's allergic, she shouted. So she got to work, tried socks, they burned, marshmallows, they melted, even leaves. Finally, she crafted tiny fireproof nose plugs. No more fiery sneezes, just happy sighs and warm hugs. Dizzle became the village hero, and the toast stayed unburnt. Morale: sometimes big problems have small, simple solutions.